Close your eyes and picture this. You're on vacation. The air is crisp, and the sun is shining. You're flying over a lush island, off the western coast of Australia, when you come across a lake as blue as... no, wait. As pink as... the sky? Wait, something's not quite right here. But it's true, there are some very photogenic, and very pink lakes in Australia that look like something out of a fantasy movie. Perhaps the most famous, and Instagram-worthy, is Lake Hillier, which is located on Middle Island off the coast of Western Australia. It makes for some pretty wild aerial views, especially when you contrast its pink hues, with the turquoise bay just across from it. So, why do pink lakes exist? It's been a mystery for some years, but the puzzle's finally been cracked. Scientists found that pink bodies of water, like Lake Hillier, contain both halobacteria, and a type of algae known as Dunaliella salina, which thrive in salty environments like the pink lakes. The carotenoid red pigments, secreted by halobacteria and salina, are responsible for the pink lake's otherworldly colors. These same algae also flourish in the Dead Sea. Head further east to check out Murray Sunset National Park in Victoria, which also boasts some picturesque views of its own 4 pink lakes, and offers camping options as well. But be warned, if you're traveling to the park, bring your own water, since you can't drink the water there, due to the salt content in the lakes. Unlike Lake Hillier, which is consistently pink year-round, the pink lakes at Murray Sunset are best viewed around late summer, when the water changes colors, varying from a deep pink to a pale salmon-like shade. Lake Hillier is accessible mostly by air tours and boat cruises, but landing on Middle Island is a no-go. Although you theoretically could swim in a pink lake at Murray Sunset National Park, it's not advisable due to the high percentage of salt in the water. Plus, the park's website asks that you leave the park as undisturbed as you found it. So it's best to leave your bathing suit at home, to protect these natural wonders for generations to come. You can find similarly pink bodies of water around the world. From Lake Rita in Senegal, to the Salinas de Trevia in Spain, to Bequimir on the Caribbean island of Bonaire. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and visit some pink lakes now. That will be all for today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.